Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Android phone settings and security. In this video, I will show you the best Android phone settings you need to turn on right now. Whether you have been using your Android phone for a very long time or you are new to Android phone and then you want to protect your Android, consider to watch this video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your phone settings. After you open up your phone settings, scroll down right here under password and security. Go ahead and click open up that. Next thing you want to do here is to go ahead and click on Find All. Under Find All right here, make sure you turn on Allow Device to be located. The next thing you want to do here is to go ahead and click on Remote Lock. Then at the point here, Remote Lock work when lock is on. You can lock your screen remotely if your device is lost or stolen. What this simply means is that should in case your phone gets lost and you enable this, you will be able to remotely lock the phone so that the person that stole the phone will not be able to have access to your phone. And this is one of the best security you can give to your Android phone before it gets lost or stolen. It's that simple. So first thing first, go ahead. It's that simple. So go ahead now and turn on this. Once you turn it on, it's that simple. Now, how it works. On your devices, go to android.com/lock. Then go ahead, or better still, you can go ahead and copy this particular URL right here, provided that you visit this particular website right here, android.com/lock. And once you get to the site, just go ahead and enter the first phone number, the second phone number, and lock the phone. With that, the phone will be remotely locked, and anybody that stole the phone will not be able to have access to your SIM and phone detail. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.